Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
Have you ever been ready to get to work, but then you can't find your correct size to your wrench? Well, that's why I love this by Grip. This is our 24-piece combination wrench set. This is very versatile, has the box end, the 12-point box end, and also the open end, and all of the sizes that I need, the metric and the standard size, so that way I can use it on my bike, I can use it around the house, I can tighten a bolt, I can even use it on our car engine, and it has a nice box end that has a 15-degree lift, and my hand fits comfortably as I torque it, and I like that even if it's a small wrench, I have a good grip. The storage case is made so well. The material, even of the pocket, is very durable, so they really took a lot of time and consideration into this organization, and for me, that is just as important as the tool because if I can't find the tool, then it's going to be hard to get to work. If I accidentally drop the tool, it's not a big deal because these are made so well. They're drop forged, they're heat treated, they're chrome plated, and they're made from alloy steel. You can see the imprint on the wrench itself. You can see that 15-degree angle there, and you can see just from the big, nice wrench to the smaller one, they're all made beautifully. I think this really comes in handy around the house. I think it's really nice to have with this organization. It keeps my mind decluttered, and then I can focus on my work. There are holes so I can hang it on the wall. There's 3 holes, or roll it up, and this is so compact and does not take up too much space.
We love it, but that's just our point of view.